think I am spoiled today. Sabay ganun. So, my banana. Yan, buy this. Sabay ganun. Baka malagyan ng lipstick, Jay. And this one naman, sandals.
Oh,
nice.
Shit. He wants new
Red
slippers.
color.
He wants new slippers.
Oh, you remember? Oh, yeah. I heard that last night.
I just remembered.
Tell you. And we got
He said he wants a gun and
also
slippers.
color white sandals. And this
Seatbelt, dear.
is Santino's birthday.
Every day.
Santino's birthday today, guys. Ako ang nagpa-spoil today. Sabay ganun. Yung banana ko, guys, hindi mahilig bumili ng sa kanyang sarili. Yung mama lang mag-spoil sa kanya. That's it, guys, for today's video. So we're here at track today, waiting husband, carpenter. So andito tayo today para for later mag bring kami doon sa school ng cupcake. So nakabili na kami, guys, dahil birthday today ng anak ko. So mamimili kami today ng kanyang regalo. Pilihin namin yung request niya. Tapos on Saturday we're going to have fun with my kiddos. Mag-celebrate kami sa kanyang birthday sa Saturday. Not today because my son have school today. So andito hihiga muna ako dito sa truck. So ayan, so yung husband ko nasa labas, kausap mo na yung mga new company na magtatrabaho sa kanya, mga carpenters or mga isang strangers na magtatrabaho sa company. So ayan, that's it, guys. Bye bye. So big oh yeah, it's okay like that.
That one, which one? Pick them out. That one.
Same size the other, this one lang. Same size lang naman. For bulalo and for barbecue. It's round. Oh, okay. Is chicken. So naka-pick na si Hubby. Yan. Yep. Big slice. So yan. Yan. May chicken na tayo. At yan eh. Beef.
That's expensive, really.
Yep. Tayo. King crabs. Bring cheese. Yan. King crabs natin. Onion cheese and sausage. Buy siya ng cellphone for Santito. And birthday niya today. So, spoiled siya today. So, meron siyang nice shoes and slippers. Ito yung sa amin mga fruits. At ito naman yung ating Coca-Cola. At ito yung Deluxe. Ayan. Ayan. What's this? So, today ice cream day. Guns, ang daming bala. Ito mo, ito yung bala niya, bullets. A lot of bullets ah. So, sa tinapatay the bullets. Big one. So, ito naman yung ano, lagayan ng bullets. Another more guns again for our spoiled boy. So big and long you want? You get it. So spoiled na naman ni Daddy. Say birthday niya today. So we're gonna check in. So there's a lot. There's a bunch of gun for kids. Ooh, big and long. Ooh. A lot of gifts ah. Ayan, ganda. Oh. Natin prutas, onions, for bullet, bibili tayo ng cupcake para sa birthday ni Santino at dadalhin sa school.
You want vanilla?
So,
How about we
your
do
choice,
this?
huh?
How about we do that?
Yeah, different color. Yeah, that's fine.
That's both.
Yep.
I want vanilla and chocolate.
You want vanilla and chocolate?
Oh, what about that?
Yellow, it's nice color too, and blue. Oh, that one is brown color and white.
24.
Mag-grocery na naman tayo today. So, pili-pili na naman si Banana. Okay, paubos na ang ating stock. So, ito yung mga karne dito. Pili-pili pag no time.